Okay, here I have the mix prepared. I put in 1 portion each of the longan, 1 each of the lychee, 1 portion each of the pineapple. I chopped it up myself, that's the way Ah Meng does it. Okay, so normally for 1 glass, the 1 serving that Ah Meng makes, he has 2 longans and 2 lychees in each, and a little bit of pineapple. About basically 1 Chinese tablespoon each. And he also puts in a little bit of the syrup from each, 1 each, and 1 of the syrup from here too. I added a little bit of something special to mine to try. Put in a bit of wintergreen. And okay, it's all in here. And the shaved ice is here. He says to make sure you pack it. Just chuck it in. Make sure it's packed properly to get the right mixture. My cup is 3 times the normal size, so I have 3 times the amount. Okay, put in some more. Okay, it looks about packed. Okay, so now I'm going to put in some milk. Need to open this thing. Where is my tea? So I'm just going to top it up with milk, evaporated milk. And that would be your White Lady. I'm going to give it a try and let you know how it goes. Here goes the cream. Just top it up. Mine is a very big mug, so there you go. Alright, there you have it. I forgot, he always puts in 1 slice of lemon for garnish and for the smell, not for the taste. I put in 2 because, like I said, mine is a big mug.